Hello, my name is Renata Rimkute, and I am running Hot Stories business networking event. Plus, I helping businesses to show their credibility and helping them share how they can position themselves that they can get more visibility. Not just that, they can get more clients. I like to share secret story what we've been doing quite few years back for new business, which has been started only 6 months, and there was sixth business in the same street doing exactly the same services as their competitors. You're gonna be asking me why that is important. Believe me, it is. Because how you show your credibility, how you position yourself, even those rest six businesses been a long time in business, you can overgrow them in less than 6 months. And believe me, we done that. And if you think how, I'm gonna share three main signals what we've been focusing on. It's been trust, which we made as much positions possible to be access for new and previous clients that people will share their reviews. Reviews never go out of date, but they must be consistent. Then we made sure that each and every website visitor be able to see those reviews and verify. Then we made them credible in all platforms across social media. So today, the same business after 4 years, they are doing franchise. If you're thinking you're not doing enough to reach more clients, start from basics. So that's my message today. Thank you.